PayPal Working Capital is one of the fastest short-term business loans out there for e-commerce businesses, but it caps loans at 30% of your business's annual PayPal sales or no more than $300,000 for first-time borrowers. Here are several top business loan providers that could offer financing that better suits your needs if PayPal Working Capital isn't for you. If you're not sure if PayPal Working Capital is the right short-term business loan option for you, then keep watching because we have put together the best alternative to PayPal Working Capital that borrow you business loan. Number 1. Loan Builder, a PayPal service. Loan Builder is a much more hands-on experience than PayPal Working Capital. Each borrower gets a dedicated representative that helps them navigate repayment and acts as a point of contact. It also allows borrowers to adjust their loan term to increase or decrease weekly repayments. Like PayPal Working Capital, Loan Builder charges a flat fee instead of interest, depending on factors like your personal credit and how much you borrow. This means that you can't save on your loan by paying it off early. And since it's a short-term loan, you only have 3.25 to 12 months to pay it back. And while your business might not have funds deducted from each sale, it will be on the hook for weekly repayments, regardless of revenue. To qualify, you'll need to have a personal credit score of at least 600, have been in business for at least 1 year, and make at least $100,000 annually. Loan Builder isn't just for businesses with a PayPal account. Number 2. OnDeck. With OnDeck, how much you can qualify to borrow isn't tied to your sales through just one payment system. It looks at your total cash flow. This differs from PayPal Working Capital's approach of mainly evaluating business revenue through PayPal sales. It also offers a relatively wide range of terms from 3 to 12 months and higher loan amounts from $5,000 to $250,000. Unlike PayPal Working Capital, OnDeck does a credit check. Any score over 500 could be acceptable. It also requires your business to be around for at least 1 year and make $100,000 annually to qualify. It can be more expensive for first-time borrowers too. The APR for the line of credit includes an origination fee that ranges from 2.5% to 4% for first-time borrowers. It also comes with weekly or even daily repayments and front-loads interest repayments so that paying back your loan early won't save you much. Number 3. Fora Financial. Fora Financial offers 2 options to small businesses: merchant cash advances and short-term loans. Unlike PayPal Working Capital, Fora Financial is one of the few short-term lenders that actually rewards early repayment by not charging a fee and even offers a discount of up to 10 cents on the dollar for paying off the loan before it's due. Fora Financial is startup-friendly, approving businesses that are as young as 6 months old. It also has lower monthly revenue requirements than PayPal Working Capital, requiring borrowers to bring in just $12,000 a month. Its merchant cash advances aren't limited to one payment system, opening up this option to businesses that have stronger sales elsewhere. Loan amounts run higher, ranging from $5,000 to $500,000. However, it can be expensive. Its term loans come with a 2% to 4% origination fee, and its merchant cash advances come with a factor rate of 1.1 to 1.3 times the amount you borrow. Getting your funds can take 3 days, much longer than PayPal Working Capital's near-instant funding. And its loan terms only go 6 to 15 months, which is relatively short. Number 4. Cappage with American Express as parent organization. Cappage gives your business access to a wider range of funds, starting at $2,000 and going up to $150,000. Each time your business draws from its credit line, it turns into a term loan that it has 6 to 18 months to pay back. And while Cappage does run a credit check and you'll need a credit score of at least 640, your business only needs to be around for 1 year and make $3,000 monthly to meet its minimum qualification requirements. This opens its financing up to lower revenue businesses and fair credit business owners. Like PayPal Working Capital, Cappage's loans don't come with interest, just a fee. With Cappage, the fee is a percentage of the amount you borrow and comes with a structure that makes it near impossible to save on your loan by paying it off early. It also takes slightly longer getting funds from Cappage than through PayPal Working Capital, with a turnaround time of about 1 business day. Number 5. National Business Capital. Unlike PayPal Working Capital, this lender and online marketplace may not fund your business loan directly, but it can help you save significant time comparing and applying to multiple lenders. It claims to match 90% of its applicants with a financing option they might qualify for. This marketplace could be particularly useful if you're not sure what all of your options are. It works with a wide range of lenders that offer small business loans, accounts receivable financing, and merchant cash advances. While it might take a bit more time than PayPal Working Capital, it can open your business up to other options, especially if it needs continuous funding. It can also give your business access to much larger amounts of cash, from $10,000 to $5 million. PayPal Working Capital's minimal requirements are difficult to beat. National Business Capital's network of lenders generally consider things like your overall annual revenue, which must be at least $180,000, and how long you've been in businesses, with a minimum of 6 months. And while it does provide startup financing, business owners must have a credit score of at least 680 to qualify. It also can take days to get your funds, rather than minutes, which could cost as much as 30 cents on the dollar. Number 6. Funding Circle. Funding Circle offers loan amounts that PayPal can't, with its relatively large range from $25,000 to $500,000 at competitive rates, ranging from 11.29% to 30.12%. Businesses can repay their loans in a wide range of terms, from 6 to 60 months. This peer-to-peer platform can connect your business to funding through investors. However, its turnaround time of at least 5 days makes it one of the slower options on this list. Its high minimum also means it's less helpful than PayPal Working Capital to businesses looking for small-dollar, short-term funding. Its loans come with origination fees from 4.49% to 8.49%, which are deducted from the loan amount. Some customers complain that they've gotten robocalls from Funding Circle after applying for a loan. Number 7. Excel Capital Management. Excel Capital Management is both a direct lender and a marketplace that can connect you with other sources of financing if you don't qualify for a competitive loan with it. It offers 9 different types of loans, including split funding similar to a PayPal Working Capital loan, except it draws from each of your business's debit or credit card sales. This lender could be helpful to businesses that aren't sure what type of financing they need and aren't in as much of a rush. To qualify for split funding, you must have at least $7,500 in monthly credit card sales and at least $10,000 in total monthly sales. There are no minimum or maximum amounts for split funding, no hard credit requirements, and you only need to be in business for at least 2 months. A set percentage is taken out of each credit card sale to pay back the amount. Getting your money can take a little longer than with PayPal Working Capital, however. Its turnaround time is at least 48 hours. It also generally requires businesses to be around for at least 1 year to qualify for other types of loans. On top of this, you can't choose what kind of loan you want to apply for, so you might not get matched with the type of financing you are hoping for.